Good morning, my darlings. So this is just a quick review video to bring you up to speed and remind you of how you submit your work to me and to Miss Graham every week because I'm getting a lot of emails, I'm getting a lot of missing assignments. So I want to go through this one more time as quickly and as clearly as possible. So please watch closely and pay attention. All right, so for this one, I'm just going to go into fifth period. Okay, so this is what our classroom setup looks like so far. The only thing that may look different is over here. Your picture, if you're in fifth period, it's blue. If you're in fourth period, it's yellow. If you are my seventh period class, it's pink. So every week I'm posting a folder. Your folder this week is yellow. So here I'm going to click on this guy and see how this says read this first. Read that first, you guys. That's going to break everything down for you that I expect you to get completed this week. As you compile your work on Google Documents and through your reading log and through your writer's notebook, okay, you will eventually come down here to the very end of the folder where it says work submission for the week of 4/13 through 4/17. The end of the week, when you are ready to submit all of your work, you click on this guy. And it shows you right here that I have posted a document for you to put everything in. Click on that. It's going to open this window for you. As soon as it loads, it'll show you, look, this is highlighted here. Please put your name at the top of the page. And then it details here for you. It says, this week I need you to submit the share link to your ongoing writer's notebook. I also need the share link to your ongoing reader's log. Number 3, I will access your Newsella info on Newsella, so I don't need anything for that. Number 4, I need your response to the common lit poem of your choice. So, first part, I need your answers to the 5 questions that follow the poem. And then I need your response to the one discussion question that you selected to expound on. And then the very last thing I need you to include in your Google document is a screenshot of your best Quizlet test score for the Unit 9 and 10 combined test that I asked you to do this week. All of that gets pasted into this document, okay? So here I would put writer's notebook, paste in my link. Okay, and then I'm going to hit enter a couple times. Then I'm going to put my reader's log. All right, then I'm going to paste in that share link. Where do I go to get the share link, Mrs. Stanford? Well, on those documents, you guys. So let's say, let's just look at this one up here in the corner. See how it says share up here? You click share, and you have options. You can enter email addresses, or you can get the shareable link. Click on that guy. Okay, you want anyone at Canton Local can view. You hit copy link, okay, click done, and then you come here and you go edit, paste. Hit enter, and look, it's a live link, you guys. So when I open your doc, your assignment submission at the end of the week, that link will be there. I can click on it and go see your writer's notebook or go see your reader's log. I'm going to copy in the share link from my reader's log. Newsella is taken care of, okay? Then I'm going to paste in, put in my common lit responses in this section. All right, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and then my discussion question response, I'm going to type that up. Hopefully you have that already done on another document. You can just copy and paste it in, okay? Then I asked you to include a screenshot of your best Quizlet test score. So Quizlet test score, hit enter. This is how you import a photo. Take a screenshot, email it to yourself. Okay, 1 second, Finley Joe. Hold on, I have to pause you guys for 1 second. Okay, so like I said, take the screenshot of the test using your phone, or you can use your computer as well. It works a little bit differently on your school laptops, but you should be able to figure it out. Take the screenshot, email it to yourself, okay, or if that's how I would do it. So take the screenshot, email it to yourself, and then I want you to open the email and save the image to your drive. Okay, so when you email an image to yourself, let's say it looks like this. Okay, see how when I hover here in my email, it gives me the download arrow or it gives me the save to drive. If you click save to drive on your image, it's going to save it to your drive. It might take it a minute. My Wi-Fi has been super slow after the storm and the crazy wind yesterday. So after you save it to your drive, okay, you're going to come here. You're going to go to Insert, Image, and then just if you screenshotted it with your laptop, you're going to go to Upload from Computer. If you emailed it to yourself and saved it to your drive, you are going to select Drive. So here, this will bring up all of my recent images, okay? And then I'm just going to click on, we'll just click on one of my Bitmojis here. And I want to import that image, and it's going to stick it right below where I wanted it to go because it's a little bit bigger. So I'll just move that down and put it all together. Okay, so I have my share link to my writer's notebook. I have my share link to my reader's log. I can get Newsella on Newsella. I've included my responses to my Common Lit poem and then a screenshot of my best Quizlet test score. All of those are on this one document. Okay, and then I'm good to go. So I'm going to click submit on my document. I can't actually do that because I'm the teacher of the course. So mine looks a little bit different than yours does. But when your document is ready, okay, you have to make sure that you click the submit button. Otherwise, it stays in this in progress section here and never actually gets submitted over here. Okay, so after your document is complete, please absolutely make sure that you hit the submit button and then you are good to go for the week. Okay, hopefully all of this makes sense. If you need help with anything, please email me and ask specific questions. All right, review this video as many times as you need to, and you should be good to go. Okay, you guys, the format is going to stay the same every single week. So this is where you need to be turning in your work every single week. Okay? All right, that's all I got for you. I hope you're having a great Tuesday and things are going well for you. Like I said, if you need me, please let me know. Bye-bye. Up here, up high, wave up high. All right, Finley says bye. Have a good week.